Hello again everyone, and welcome to Russell Automotive Centre, where we are a Milltek dealer, and today I'll show you what's going on in the workshop. We are fitting a Milltek exhaust system to this lovely Audi RS6. So we're going to take off this old exhaust system and fit on this lovely Milltek non-resonated system, which is the louder system. So hopefully in an hour or so that exhaust system will be on this car, and then we'll come back to see how that exhaust system by magic. The old exhaust is now sitting on the floor. The new exhaust is now on the car. Just needs a few final adjustments, and then it'll be ready to be on the road. And we've already had it running and it sounds lovely. So very soon you'll be able to hear it running.
Yeah. One more for good luck. What do you think, Marek?
Very nice.
Thank you very much.